Cafe Travel. Be sure to subscribe so you never miss an episode of Media Cafe. Today, we're going to show you the Executive King Suite at MGM Grand Resort in Las Vegas. It's been a long time, so we're happy to have you back to Media Cafe Travel. You may remember we visited MGM Grand before and showcased the buffet when it first reopened. We appreciate everybody who watched that, and everybody's been watching all of our videos. We're back, and we're going to have more videos in the future of rooms, restaurants, and buffets. But today, we are going to showcase the room of Executive King Suite in the MGM Grand. MGM is hard to miss because it's a huge property on the corner of the Las Vegas Strip and Tropicana, across from the Tropicana Hotel at the south end of the Strip. It's hard to miss the property because it's huge and there's a giant lion in front. But let's check out the room. As you can probably tell, the Executive King Suite is a pretty good option for a business trip if you're on a business trip to Vegas, if you're lucky enough to do that. There's plenty of room to work with a decent living space, as you can see. It features a movable flat screen TV that allows you to watch from the living area and also to the bed area. Just flip it back and forth to either one, as well as that media hub, which you probably noticed before. But this desk is a very nice space and big, huge room. As you can see, the decor is fairly nice. There is that lamp in the corner, which of course goes with the old Hollywood theme. Those kind of lights were used on the old sets of Hollywood movies. Overall, you can see this is a very spacious room. The view of this particular room was not incredible. It did not showcase the strip or anything like that. But again, very spacious, very convenient for working. While we were here, I did have some work to do, so that desk area was very convenient for working. And as you can see, a very large bed, king-size bed, very comfortable as well. And again, very solid room, and right on the strip, right at the beginning of the strip for most people. Again, right at the corner of Tropicana and the Las Vegas Strip. Thank you for watching Media Cafe Travel. Be sure to give us comments and tell us what you think of the room. Also subscribe so you never miss an episode of Media Cafe Travel. Thanks a lot. See you next time.